And what I personally do to make sure I have proper work-life balance while on the road is contact family, friends, and the like during my downtime, whether that be in the morning or during my 30-minute break or in the evening after I stop. It is important that you have something outside of your job, something to take your mind off it. Other things that you can do, things that I do, I play video games, learn about something. Right now, I'm currently learning about AI. When I stop driving, I cook a steak and I have dinner in the truck. Watch TV, watch movies, listen to books on tape, anything to keep your brain working. The most challenging part of balancing work and personal life as a truck driver, for some people, would be staying in communication with loved ones. Communication is key in keeping personal relationships going. So reaching out to family and friends during your downtime via FaceTime or, video chat or phone calls, stuff like that. I am van truckload over the road, so a lot of my runs generally range anywhere from 500 to 500 miles to over 1,000 miles, and I do end up on multi-day runs. I absolutely 110% love what I do as a commercial driver, and driving is my life. So therefore, my work-life balance is going to vary drastically compared to other people. So my typical day is waking up at 4 a.m. When I wake up, I have a cup of coffee, I stretch, I walk around, I'll go for a walk, but I touch grass, I exercise a little bit, and then I start doing my pre-trip inspection. If you want to be successful out here on the road, you got to take care of your tools. Time management skills are what they make the world go round. You have a certain time to drive, you have a certain time to rest, you have a certain time to go out and take a walk, and time to talk to family. And all of those things are equally important. You cannot use all your time around the clock to drive. And you can tell when a person is not achieving this balance when they're becoming very, very frustrated. Somebody who used to love his job all of a sudden hates his job. I mean, yes, you need to make your pickups and your deliveries on time, ideally. But if you're struggling and you're having a hard time and you need time to get out of your own head, you just have to reach out to your leadership team and they will help you in that.
Looking for better work-life balance in your driving job? Click the link in the description to explore your options.